Hello, little friends. Welcome to ZooZoo Funhouse. Let's meet lots of amazing farm animals and learn their names in English and Hindi. Let's go! Look, it's a cow. Guy. Cows say moo, moo. Cows give us milk, which we use to make yummy cheese, butter, and ice cream. Cluck, cluck. Here's a hen. Murgi. Hens lay eggs. We use eggs to make cakes, omelets, and yummy snacks. Nay, here comes a horse. Cora. Horses help carry people and goods. They are also fast runners and love to gallop around the farm. Baba, look at this fluffy sheep. Paired. Sheep give us wool, which we use to make warm sweaters, scarves, and blankets. Here comes a goat. Bakri. Goats give us milk, just like cows. They also love to climb and jump around the farm. Quack, quack! Say hello to the duck. Butta. Ducks love to swim in ponds and waddle on the farm. Hee-haw! Look at the donkey. Gada. Donkeys help carry heavy loads on the farm. Oink, oink! It's a pig. Sewer. Pigs love to roll in the mud and are very smart animals. Gobble, gobble. Look at this turkey. Turkey. Turkeys are big birds that live on farms and make funny sounds. Hop, hop! Look at this cute rabbit. Khargosh. Rabbits love to eat carrots and have soft, fluffy fur. Let's learn to count with farm animals. Let's go! Let's learn to count with our farm animal friends. Ready? Let's go! Our first animal is dog. Did you know that dogs can hear sounds much better than people? They can even hear sounds that are too quiet for us to hear. Can you count how many dogs are here? That's right, just one. We have one dog. Our next farm friend is cow. Did you know that cows have best friends? They get really happy when they're near their favorite buddy, and it helps them stay calm. Can you count how many cows are here? That's right, 2. Horse. Horses can sleep standing up. They often take short naps without lying down. Can you count how many horses are here? That's right, 3. We have 3 horses. Next farm friend is a goat. Did you know that goats are super curious animals? They love to explore and climb. Some goats can even climb trees and rocks. Isn't that fun? Can you count how many goats are here? That's right, 4. Goose. Did you know that geese are great swimmers? They can paddle through the water using their strong wings. Geese also like to honk loudly to talk to their friends. Can you count how many geese are here? That's right, 5. Here comes Pig. Did you know that pigs are very smart? They can learn tricks and even play games. They love to roll in the mud to keep cool and stay clean. Can you count how many pigs are here? That's right, 6. We have 6 pigs. Sheep. Sheep are very fluffy animals, and they can be white, brown, or black. Did you know they have excellent memories? They can remember other sheep and even people for years. Can you count how many sheeps are here? That's right, 7 sheeps. Duck. Ducks are great swimmers. They can even quack in different ways to talk to each other. Can you count how many ducks are here? That's right, 8 ducks. Our next farm friend is a chicken. Chickens are very special because they can lay eggs. Some chickens can even lay different colored eggs, like brown, white, and blue. Isn't that cool? Can you count how many chickens are here? That's right, 9. We have 9 chickens. Rabbit. Did you know that rabbits can jump really high? They can leap up to 3 feet in the air. That helps them escape from predators quickly. Let's count how many rabbits we have here. That's right, 10. We have 10 rabbits.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere quack quack. Oink oink here and a oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere quack quack. Oink oink here and a oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a mouse, E-I-E-I-O. With a squeak squeak here and a squeak squeak there, here a squeak, there a squeak, everywhere squeak squeak. Moo moo here and a moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere moo moo. Quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere quack quack. Oink oink here and a oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, ZooZoo Funhouse. Bye!